Welcome to Learn Geography with GIS. During this module we will talk about visualization so that you can communicate with maps. We will introduce you to the principles of visualization and link this with the graphs used in geography. Spatial data without symbolization would leave the map a series of points and lines, so it is important to consider how to visualize your information. For example, in 1854 John Snow used a map to examine cholera deaths in London. From his visualization and his observations, he identified the potential source of infections. Today, with the many digital tools available, it is possible to explore and create a vast array of visualizations. In the end, the visualization is used to communicate the findings on the map. As you start to create your own maps, it will become clear that this, sometimes, is not easy. There are many different visualizations that one can use to communicate. Not all of these are in the form of a map. Here we have included the many data visualizations available in RR so that you can be inspired to think of how to communicate. We have included the graphs listed in the geography textbooks that geographers use. Check out which of these are included in the R visualizations that I just showed you. There are many principles to consider when conveying information on a map. These include color, purpose, legibility, accessibility and simplicity. McCachran emphasized purpose, among other elements, as illustrated by this cube, where task, interaction, and user type are taken into consideration. This provides a good starting point. Brewer considered color. Much of this has now been incorporated into the color palettes in R and ArcGIS Pro. The Ordnance Survey, the national mapping agency from the UK, uses several principles for their maps. These include user requirements, display format, visual hierarchy, simplicity, legibility, consistency, accessibility, and good composition. That is a lot of different things to think about. So in summary, when creating maps and visualizations, consider symbols, color, size or width of the symbol, classification scheme, user needs and the map format. By map format we are referring to whether the map is digital or paper, and also whether it is an interactive, dynamic or static map. That is all for now. For more information, visit our website.